Hello guys, and welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Bbnaija Lockdown, Lilo and Lucy Confrontation. The Get to Know Me session did create mild tension between Lucy and Lilo, and there was a bit of confrontation. Lilo believes she heard Lucy make a side comment about her during a session and confronted her. Lucy insisted she didn't make that comment in response to her and felt if Lilo should have asked her rather than going on the offensive. In a discussion with Tochi about her confrontation, she said the comment she made about the session being hurried up was not addressed to Lucy, but a general response to the entire session because she was getting hungry. If you did not hear something well, you could have asked me, she said, wondering why the confrontation. Wow. So guys, this is just the first week of the Bbnaija show, and we already have our first quarrel that almost got into a fight in the house between Lilo and Lucy. The evictions have not started yet, and they're already getting up on each other's faces. Okay, let's watch and see how this season Bbnaija show is going to turn out. I feel it's going to be very interesting because these guys are really keeping us entertained. How about you? What do you think about them? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If this is your first time of viewing, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drop.